This is tutorial number 58, and it covers utilizing multiple windows to create a part in Solidworks. Now to start off, let's open up the block template, which is located on the DVD. Click File and open it up. Now what we're going to be doing is creating parts from this block template. Now we're going to create a square, a circle, and a triangle. Now let's open up a new part file. Click File, click New, click Part, click OK. Now let's click Window and we'll click Tile vertically, and we're able to see the dimensions of the block template in one window, and we're able to create our sketch and our part in the other window. So let's do the square first, and it's 20 by 20, so let's sketch it. Click Sketch, click Rectangle, we'll sketch it on the front plane from the origin, and we'll dimension it to 20 by 20. Click OK, and let's click Edit Feature, and we'll extrude it out 50 millimeters. Click OK, and now we've made our square. Now let's color it, so let's click Edit Color, click the part, and let's make it red. Click OK, and now we've created our block. Now let's close this window, and we'll open up a new one. Let's click File, click New, click Part, click OK. Now let's click Window, and we'll tile horizontally this time. Now we're going to make the circle, and the circle says that it's 20 millimeters in diameter. So let's sketch that out. Click Sketch, click Circle, click Front, and let's make the radius 10 millimeters. Click OK, and let's click the features, and we'll extrude it out 50 millimeters. Click OK, and let's color it. Click the part, and we'll make this one green. Click OK, and now we've created that part. Now let's minimize it, and we're going to make the triangle this time. Click File, click New, click Part, click OK. Now let's click Window, and we'll tile horizontally again, and this time we'll make the triangle. And the triangle is dimensioned at 15 millimeters. So let's sketch it out. Click Sketch, click Line, and we'll do it on the front plane again. And we'll sketch out our triangle. Now let's click Smart Dimension, and let's make it 15 millimeters. Now we'll click Add Relations, and we'll make each line equal. Click OK. Now let's click Edit Feature and extrude it out 50 millimeters. Click OK. Now let's change the color, and let's change it to blue. Click the part, click OK, and now we've created a blue triangle. Now let's open up these windows down here, and let's click Window, click Tile horizontally, and now we can see in all four windows the parts that we've created from the block template. And this concludes our tutorial on how to utilize multiple windows to create parts within SolidWorks.